Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. This is one of our new arrivals, a brand new 2020 Sea Ray 190 SPX. This has been a very, very popular boat for us, especially here on the West Coast. This is a great starter boat. This boat will fit in most standard garages. It comes in as a package boat, motor, trailer. So what we'll do, we'll kind of go through a couple of things here, point out some of the highlights on the boat. This one has your big Mercury 154 stroke. Horsepower to weight ratio is very, very good. Of course, with your outboard, many benefits of low maintenance and very little draft. As you can see, full cockpit fiberglass liner, so there's no carpeting and stuff to mess with. Right back here, you have tremendous amount of storage. That's the benefit of the outboard, is a lot more cockpit room and storage, if you will. Real nice color combination with this light and dark brown. Additional seating right here, Fusion stereo, Simrad GPS in the dash, tilt steering. Nice little package. Up in the front, plenty of seating here for your passengers. And you got your speakers up here. So it's a lot of boat for the money. So to recap, 2020 Sea Ray 190 SPX, located here at MarineMax in Venice. So if you'd like some additional information, feel free to give us a ring. The number here at MarineMax in Venice is 941-485-3388. Thanks for taking the time. Hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.